First, happy National Cheddar Day, everyone. My name is Benjamin Young. I live in Fort Collins, Colorado, and I work at the Fox and the Crow Cheese Shop and Bistro. For my Tillamook pairing today, I got the Maker's Reserve 2017 cheddar. It's a little bit younger, and it is a white cheddar. You can see.
Hi everyone, I'm Sarah Munley. I'm a cheesemonger based in Portland, Oregon. Right now I work for Provista Specialty Foods, a local distributor. This year I am pairing the 2018 Tillamook cheddar.
Hi everyone, I'm Lindsey Fougerson. I'm a cheesemonger HEB here in Texas, as well as a certified cheese professional. It's National Cheddar Day, so I've made a board with our Tillamook 2016 Maker's Reserve cheddar.
Hi, my name is Tonda Correnti, and I'm with La Femme de Fromage in Orlando, Florida. Today, I'm going to be pairing the 2015 Maker's Reserve from Tillamook.
Hello, and happy National Cheddar Day. I'm Nicole Easterday from FARMcurious, and I'm here to pair the Tillamook 2010 Maker's Reserve